Thank you for joining me and Brianna Stanko as we produce these videos to demonstrate or to educate sellers as to the updates to our book, Your Guide to Amazon Suspensions. So Brianna, here's the question for this video, and I know you're addressing this in the book by taking all the information, all our videos and all our articles and putting them in there. What should sellers do when Amazon asks them for information that they don't have?
Yeah, so I mean, sellers make mistakes, an invoice could easily be lost, and when that happens, the first thing you should do is calm down and make sure you don't panic, because that's easy, obviously.
Great point. Sellers, if you get a listing suspension or an account suspension, don't freak out. It's just a bump in the road in terms of conducting your business on Amazon. So they know they take a deep breath.
Yes.
Even though their money's frozen, their inventory is stuck at FBA, what's the second thing you've learned that sellers should do when they get that notice?
Yeah, so after that, really, you need to just demonstrate to Amazon that you are taking the measures necessary to improve your business and prevent any other issues from occurring. Even if you don't even know what the issue is, just these general measures to demonstrate that. So actually,
let me take that apart. I interrupt her constantly. Please don't hold it against me. Brianna has become used to it. She is the daughter of a fantastic lawyer and a great friend of mine. So you don't freak out. They need to do a deep dive investigation to try and find out what the issue is, and oftentimes you can't. Every business, including us, including improving our book, you can always find ways to improve. So if you can't figure out what the issue is, can't find the information Amazon's looking for, you could just describe general business improvements, which will hopefully spark a response from Amazon that indicates what the problem is. So if they're looking for information that you don't have, okay, or you can't figure out, do a deep dive investigation, use Amazon's language, and just come up with business improvements that you can make, and look at Amazon's 14 leadership principles and see which ones you can argue and which ones you really apply. Okay?
Definitely.
So, Brianna, thank you very much. We're going to continue to shoot these updates. I hope they're helpful. If they are helpful at all, please like this video, please share this video, and please pump up Brianna and put your like saying, I thought Brianna was absolutely awesome when you share it, you like it. And thank you very much for watching this video update of our book, The Amazon Seller's Lawyer's Guide to Suspensions. It's really about avoiding suspensions, but it teaches you how to get your accounts back. Thank you very much.
Thank you.